What's up, guys? It's Mila at WTI, and today I'm sharing with you a power food to add to your regimen. I love having this because as I'm traveling around doing my thing with my busy schedule, I can add this to a glass of water or orange juice or make a smoothie out of it and get excellent nutrition. This is organic greens with superfood blend, unflavored by Purely Inspired. And I will say it's got a ton of great stuff in there. If you look at the label, you're gonna see it's got organic ingredients, superfood, greens, and even fruits. I love it, and it tastes really, really good. Like if you add banana, or in my case, I usually put some frozen berries in there, a little bit of turmeric, just to get a really nice blend. It has a nice flavor that goes with anything. So if you wanted to make a chocolate shake with this, you could. If you wanted to do vanilla, banana, whatever, it's got a nice flavor that doesn't clash with other things. I love this product, and I feel like I'm walking around with an extra boost of nutrients when I take it. That's my point of view.